Hey guys, I'm back with the news of OnePlus 6. While other manufacturers are announcing new flagships at MWC 2018, OnePlus won't be doing so. The Chinese manufacturer won't launch a new phone till the second half of the year, but that isn't to say work has not begun yet. It appears work has actually gone very far as images said to be of the OnePlus 6 have surfaced online. From the images, we can see that this is a strangely different design from previous OnePlus devices. Goes a metal back and under its place is highly reflective glass. Some say this may mean the phone will support wireless charging, but that may not be so. OnePlus CEO said last year that it sees no need for wireless charging, not only because Dash Charger, their proprietary charging technology, is much faster than any wireless charger, but because the technology is not ripe enough for adoption, though he did say that the company may introduce it in future. Anyways, we would prefer an IP68 or IP67 rating over wireless charging. Apart from the glass back, the OnePlus 6 rocks a dual camera setup that is likely raised but positioned in the middle of the device. There is a LED flash below it and a fingerprint scanner right after. The front of the device is look like iPhone 10. The OnePlus 6 is seen here with a notch at the top of the display and a lower bezel is slightly smaller than that of OnePlus 5T. The notch is home to a very small earpiece and a camera. We are not surprised though. Everyone in China seems to have catched the notch display bug. Thankfully, the person who shared the pictures also gave us a few specs as the about phone section is what is on the screen. The phone's name is stated as P7819 and the model number is NSP7819. The former can be edited if you are familiar with OnePlus phones. This is a prototype, so the original model number should be something like this: OnePlus A6 X10. The phone is running Oxygen OS 5.1 and Android 8.1 Oreo with December security patch. There is 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, which means this is the base model. Is this OnePlus 6? And one thing we learned last year with the OnePlus 5 is that many designs are considered before the final product is released. There were several leaks of the OnePlus 5 and to be fair, they were all genuine leaks. But only one of them turned out to be the OnePlus 5. So trust if I say this won't be the only design we'll see before the phone eventually launches, but we can be sure some of the features we have seen here will make it to the final device. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below and make sure to subscribe for the upcoming little tech videos. And yeah, see you soon.